How to get Qatar Airways promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in Qatar Airways promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo codes for Qatar Airways. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Groupon. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offers. You can see that weekly deals, promo code, likewise up to 30% off, hot pick, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just go ahead and click on it. So I have selected save 12% and here is the code. You can copy it. After you copy the code, you can head towards the website of Qatar Airways. So go ahead and type in Qatar Airways. Once you land to the official website of Qatar Airways, log into your account, book your flight, select the passengers. Once you confirm that, you will land to the promo code page. Over there, you have to type in the code, and with that, you will get the discount on your flight. Also, you can try out other offers. Over here, you're going to find many offers. For some offers and deals, you won't need the promo code. You just have to click on it and book your flight, and the selected offer will be directly applied to your flight. So make sure to try out other offers given in this page. Likewise, you can also check out other websites as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Qatar Airways. Well, this way you can easily get Qatar Airways promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.